So in this video we will discuss about the thumbnail bar. The thumbnail bar is this bar that is placed under your tour, and it has a collection of all the scenes you have in the tour, and the user can go through the scenes by clicking on this thumbnail. For example, here I can go to the kitchen using this hotspot or by clicking on the scene. And the good thing about it is that if you have a lot of scenes, then it's really useful to give another way to your users to go around your tour. And if a scene has a title, then by hovering over this thumbnail, it will show you the title of the scene. For example, here I go to the living room. Yeah. And the thumbnail bar, the user can close it and open it using this arrow. Very good. So let's go back to the editor and see what kind of configuration we have for our thumbnail bar. So you can see that thumbnail bar configuration are here at the settings, and of course it should first be enabled. And if you disable it, it will totally remove the thumbnail bar. So let's enable it again. Yeah. The other option is close at the start. When I have this option of close at the start, it means that when the user comes to the tour, it is closed by default, but the arrow is there so the user can open it. So let me save it and show you how it looks at the output. Yeah, so the tour has already the thumbnail bar and the user can open it by clicking on this arrow. So this thumbnail bar is also very responsive. So let me show you this how it looks on the mobile phone. Yeah, so on the mobile phone you can see that the user can easily go around this thumbnail bar in a very interactive way. Yeah, so this is a nice feature that we have already added to the Panorom plugin.